The world of luxury cars is undergoing a seismic shift. For decades, luxury meant the roar of a V8, handcrafted interiors, and mechanical perfection. Now that definition is being rewritten. Luxury is silent, intelligent, and electric. In 2025, automakers are building electric vehicles from the ground up, blending eco-friendly power with stunning design and cutting-edge tech. The electric platform isn't a compromise. It's the new foundation for comfort, performance, and opulence. In this video, we'll dive into the best luxury electric cars of 2025. Prepare to see how style, comfort, and technology are converging in ways we never imagined. Let's get started. First up, the Mercedes-Benz EQS, the electric S-Class for a new era. Its sleek, aerodynamic design isn't just for looks, it's engineered for maximum range with over 400 miles on a single charge. The EQS glides silently, delivering smooth, effortless power and redefining what luxury feels like. Step inside, and you're greeted by the hyperscreen, a 56-inch curved glass dashboard that merges 3 displays into one seamless interface. The MBUX system learns your habits, making the tech feel intuitive, not overwhelming. The seats are more like lounge chairs with heating, ventilation, and massage, while a HEPA air system perfumes the cabin. Rear axle steering makes this large sedan nimble in the city. Automatic comfort doors open and close for you, adding a futuristic touch. The EQS is a sanctuary on wheels, isolating you from the outside world with air suspension and a cocoon-like cabin. Mercedes is also pushing sustainable luxury, offering interiors made from recycled and eco-friendly materials. Every detail is designed for tranquility and responsibility. The EQS isn't just a great electric car, it's a new benchmark for luxury sedans. It blends classic Mercedes comfort with a bold, electric vision for the future. This is what happens when a legacy automaker goes all in on electric. The result? One of the world's best luxury cars, period. The EQS proves that the future of luxury is silent, sustainable, and stunningly advanced. It's not about aggressive performance, but about serene, effortless progress. The EQS lowers your heart rate the moment you step inside.